Hey guys, it's Jeff here. I'll be introducing to you the new Philips Neopix mini projector. Our focus will be on the second product in the collection, the sleek and compact Neopix Easy and Easy Plus. Wow, here it is. A subtle titanium glossy effect with a slick finish actually. We have a charger with 3 different types of plugs, the remote control, good. Let's check this beautiful thing. The brightness is about 2600 LED lumens and it supports Full HD resolution, which means you can enjoy vivid and high quality viewing up to 80 inches image in a dark room. As you can see, this focus and keystone allow you to fine-tune the calibration easily. But that's not all. You have a clean and simple interface that allows you to project all the content you want, videos, pictures, and of course music. Another awesome feature is that you can play your content directly from a USB stick right on this side here, but also from a micro SD card here, or displayed from the computer via HDMI. It works perfectly with a gaming console. So imagine enjoying your favorite game on an 80 inches wide picture. Guys, this is quite new. Now you can also connect any smart boxes or dongles like Apple TV, Fire TV or Android TV boxes. Now if you decide to try out the Easy Plus version, you will be signing up for premium features you wouldn't expect at this price. The Neopix Easy Plus is able to mirror any Android, iOS, Windows or Mac OS device wirelessly. Also, both of the Neopix Easy and Easy Plus have internal stereo speakers, but if you go with the Easy Plus, you will be able to pair it with your own external Bluetooth speakers to get a powerful sound that boosts your home entertainment. If this is your first experience with the mini projector, the Philips Neopix Easy ensures a smooth and a big picture in a dark environment. It's light, easy to use and has an extensive connectivity. You'll love to get your hands on it.